Siguro po, yung turn na nagpipick, siguro medyo papunta na po tayo doon. At paunti-unti, inaaral pa rin namin at yung team, lalo na si Coach Ramil, kung ano pa yung pwede namin mailabas sa susunod na laro.
Thank you to Angel. You had 16 points on... Wait. 16 points on 12 attack 3 blocks. So ano masasabi mo sa... Yun nga, do you think na ito na yung lumalabas yung peaking sa laro ninyo sa Lake Strikers of PNC?
Hindi ko masasabi ito na yung peak namin. Pero at the same time, merong mga nalalabas kasing skills sa amin, merong nalalabas na bago sa amin. So we're happy for that. But at the same time, we're reaching for more. Kaya hindi pa to yung peak talaga at hindi ko pa talaga at masasabi namin lahat na peak pa kasi we believe na meron pa kaming more na ilalabas.
You had also 6 exceptions and 4 digs. So here you had 6 of 15 attacks, 4 digs and 4 exceptions. So what can you say about your performance today, especially your given court time by Coach Ramil? What can you say?
You know, I'm very grateful for the opportunity to be able to compete alongside my teammates on the court today. I think this is a good starting point for me, you know, getting into my groove and adapting better to Coach Ramil's system. And, you know, it's always great to play alongside my teammates.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open for your question.
Coach Angel, gano'n kayo importante na ng topic na to with this week, medyo nag-zoning na kayo dun sa twice to beat team. So, kahit nga yung lead namin is kalaban, pero gano'n importante na itong win na ito para sa inyo?
Sobrang importante po siya kasi ang pinaglalabanan po talaga ngayon is yung mag-number 2 at yung twice to beat advantage para makapunta dun sa Final Four na. So siguro, itong mga natitirang laro namin, lagi sinasabi ni Coach na one game at a time lang palagi. At laging respetuhin yung kalaban, mahina man yan or malakas man yan. Lagi yung iisipin na hindi porket ganun sila or hindi sila makapag-perform, babaliwalain nyo na lang. At pwede rin naman sabihin natin na hindi rin ganun kalakas yung kalaban, pero kailangang respetuhin pa rin talaga.
To add na lang siguro sa sinabi ni Coach Kurt, siguro kasama na rin dun yung disiplina along the way. Disiplina as a team, disiplina din individually. Sobrang importante yung panalo po namin kasi syempre, ito din yung hugot ng kumpiyansa namin sa bawat isa. So I think pag-continue na panalo namin, makukuha kami ng kumpiyansa doon. And sana yung kumpiyansa namin yun, ready kami na harapin yung next naming kalaban. At mas confident pa kami pag pumasok kami sa loob ng court.
Julian, you've had a lot of experience in your career so far, but for this season you haven't had that much playing time. How did you stay encouraged and focused for this season despite not having that many opportunities in the past few months?
You know, I'm grateful to have a lot of experience to play volleyball. You know, I think I've been in my adjustment process, you know, adapting to a new system of play. And, you know, I think the thing that keeps me going is my teammates first and foremost. And I have full trust in the coaches, you know, they're guiding me. We're working hard every day in and out of the gym. And, you know, at the end of the day, whenever I am needed, I hope I'll be able to contribute to the team and help further their success.
Angel, this game 9 players yung nakascore for Lasal, talagang pinalasa yung rotation. Gano'n lang ka-importante para sa team moral overall na nakakabili itong balance atake yung Lasal?
Siguro individually sobrang importante siya sa amin. Kasi sa ibang teammates ko na hindi nagagamit, nagkakaroon silang kumpiyansa sa sarili nila na kapag pumasok sila, kaya nila. There are times na kapag sa training kasi, nininiwala kami na kaya nila. And may skills din talaga sa bawat isa sa amin. So, at the same time, kapag nalabas nila yung skills na meron sila, feel namin yung gaan ng loob nila. And then feel din namin na may kumpiyansa sila. So, we're very happy for that. Kasi, at the same time, maaasahan din sila ng mga coaches kapag pinasok sila. Kasi, pinatunayan nila na kaya nila pag pinasok sila.
To the players, what can you say right now at second place? Yun nga, maganda yung chance na twice to be. To Coach Kurt, ano masasabi niyo sa ito, maganda na yung chance niyo na siyempre, yung isa sa mga main goals niyo yung to finish in the top.
Siyempre, masaya kami kung makuha namin yung twice to beat advantage na yun. Siguro mas pagtatrabahuan pa nung team para ma-maintain namin yung spot namin ngayon na number 2 kami. At sa mga remaining games namin, sisiguraduhin namin na ipapanalo namin lahat yon. At para pagdating ng Final Four is makuha talaga namin yung gusto namin makuha ng team.
And to Angel and Jill, so of course, getting the number 2 ranking is not gonna be easy. So what's your mindset? First, Jill, what do you think? Getting the number 2 ranking in the Atlanta Invitations, what can you say?
Like Coach Kurt said, we're feeling good about our standing in the conference so far. You know, this is we're at a good spot, but the work is never done yet. We still got a few more opponents to face, and we plan to keep on working hard, building on our standing by collecting more wins, and we do that together as a team. So while we're at second, we're not going to be complacent. We're going to continue working hard, even harder, actually.
Kahit naman siguro panalo kami, marami pa rin kaming kailangan i-improve sa sarili namin at improve as a team din talaga. Gaya nga sabi ni Coach Kurt, one game at a time. So, kailangan lang namin mag-focus per game and mag-prepare ng todo-todo doon sa opponent namin para hindi lang kami mawala sa landas at the same time. Kasi yun din talaga yung goal namin na maabot doon sa number 2 na round para makuha yung twice to beat advantage.
Congratulations, Coach Kurt. Thank you.
Thank you po!